Welcome to your home sweet home. I am so excited that you're thinking about making a move, and this house will be a fantastic choice. It's got a wonderful 2-bedroom, 1-bath updated floor plan, which I'll show you. A little over 1,000 square feet, 1,053 square feet of living area. You can see the beautiful decor in this home. This kitchen was recently updated with newer updated cabinet doors and freshly painted. You can see we've got the stainless steel appliances and the luxury vinyl plank flooring. One of the nice things about this floor plan is you have a good space in the kitchen, lots of cabinets, and then also the eat-in area. So if you wanted to use this space here as a dining room, you certainly could do that. Or it makes a very nice sitting area, as you can see there. Good size living room. And one of the things that I hope you're noticing is the natural light in this house. So the light flows straight through from the front door all the way out to the lanai, and you can feel that airflow. It's a beautiful November day. You feel the breeze coming through, and it really is very pleasant. So this is a guest bedroom, the second bedroom here. Good space, again, the vinyl plank floors. This is the main bedroom, so this is the largest of the bedrooms. They're both really good sized bedrooms. And one of the nice features in this bedroom is the corner windows. So you have a lot more choice of where you put your bed in this bedroom with those corner windows. These are also tilt windows, so that helps for cleaning purposes. We've got some good storage. There's a linen closet here, and then we have another closet, a coat closet, utility closet there. If we head out here to the lanai, you see that you've got a nice screened-in porch, lovely place to sit. You notice the house is set up nice and high, so it will be high and dry. This is an area of Florida where it's we are part of the high ridge of Florida, which means we are situated in some of the highest elevations of the state, and so that is wonderful. When you have a house that's built up like this, certainly you don't have to worry about the drainage issues. You're going to have any kind of rain and water drain down from the house, so that's wonderful. You won't have any issues there. Very nice fenced-in yard, so plenty of room if you have pets, or if you have any other needs that you want to be just enjoying the outdoors. And again, you can see how nice and high the house sits, so you have a really great vantage point from that lanai. A good shed here for storing some of the outdoor tools and equipment. We'll head back inside and we'll take a look at the garage. The roof was just redone in 2018, so that's in really good newer shape. And with the updates that this house has, it really is move-in ready, so all you need to do is bring your belongings and you will be all set to go. So this is the garage. And you'll notice this is a one-car garage, but there is extra space. You can fit a car in here and have some storage area as well. And we have laundry here, plenty of room to get in and out of the laundry space, even when you have a car in the garage. And then we have a side door that takes you outside, so that's always convenient if you're doing work outside. The house is equipped with a sprinkler system. The current homeowner has not used the sprinklers. They are in need of some repair, but you do have that ability to get those sprinklers in working order and be able to use that to make landscaping a little easier. So really beautiful option. Again, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. This is in Beverly Hills, Florida, and this is a very private community. All of the roads in this community are dead-end streets, so you don't get through traffic. It's very quiet here. Really friendly neighbors. Everybody looks out for each other. And if you're looking to establish a nice cozy home in Florida, this would be a really great option. I don't expect this house to be available very long, so please reach out to the RES Luxury Group, and we'll answer any questions you have and help you with moving forward with the purchase of this home. 352-794-1426. Ruth Squires, your realtor on demand with Keller Williams Realty. RES Luxury Group, white glove service, red carpet treatment. It's all in the name. We're not the same. Have a great day.